Hello, my name is Carwyn Graves and I'm the author of Tir, the story of the Welsh landscape. I'm going to read to you from chapter 4, Cae, field, though it means more than that too. It goes like this. The mid-June sun is beating down and this bright flecked field is alive with the drone and buzz of countless insects, the chirping and twittering of contented chiffchaffs and chaffinches in the overgrown hedgerows, all forming a happy accompaniment. Around me in the swathe is a rich array of grassland flowers and herbs, hawkbit, betony, lesser stitchwort, birdsfoot, trefoil and orchids, all flaunting their summertime wares to the invertebrate crowds of this place. We're in a lowland hay meadow, cyrraedd, on the edge of the upper Teifi Valley in Ceredigion. Within living memory, there were meadows of this kind all over Wales and beyond. But as a result of the chemical revolution in farming, they've declined by a precipitous 95 to 98% in the past 60 years. And so this place is now a rare survival, an oasis of biodiversity.